Hi guys, so Google search sucks, I know, but I actually made the perfect extension to make it suck far less. So let's just search for cat here, and we see that next to Wikipedia, we see a marker on the left that it's kind of a highlighted result. It's very tame here. So we can just scroll, and otherwise we see the same thing. Suppose we want to search for Reddit, and we see that Reddit exists here and Wikipedia is highlighted. So we have two icons here. We can either highlight search results or we can hide them. And by hiding them, they never gonna appear again. So we're gonna hide Reddit here, hide domain, and it's already hidden. And if we ever just refresh here, and it's automatically hidden on subsequent searches. And we can check this out. We can check out the hidden search results and highlighted results. So we have a ton of domains here, but you can actually add a word too. So suppose you don't like politics, you can just add that word, and any site that uses that word will be just automatically hidden. And about highlighting search results, this is predictably worked the same, but we can use a custom color. Possibly for each and every site, you can use a custom color. I'm not doing that. But again here, although it's not very useful, I suppose if I added just A here, then everything is automatically highlighted. But this is not what we would want normally. And previously we hid Reddit, but suppose we want to see it for a second, then we can suspend the extension, and there you go. All the sites that's supposed to be hidden, like Apple and Facebook and Reddit, are here for you to enjoy. And this is not all, because these domains that you're saving are also automatically synced to your Google account. So basically, if anytime in the future you reinstall the extension, then you will have the same filters. Which I would argue should be a must-have feature for all extensions, but definitely for something like this. So that's it. Just hide what you don't want to see and highlight what you do.